Hi friends! Welcome back to Brainy Battles. Are you ready to check your observation skill with our 30 puzzle game? But first, don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more fun games. Can you spot the odd burger emoji? Good, you find it. What about pizza? Can you find the odd one? Yes, that one is different. Next one, guess the food by these emojis. Correct. Do you like French fries? One of these is different. Can you find it? Yes, the one in the top left. Can you find the different one in this collection? There it is! This is a hard one. Can you find it? You're right. Good job. Which food is this? You got that right. Can you find the odd cookie emoji here? Wow, you are correct. Something that's different in this photo. Yes, you find it. One brownie, it's different. Can you find it? Yes, the smiling one. Now, try to guess the restaurant by emoji. It's Burger King. Which Burger King logo? It's the correct one. Yes, the left one. Your task now is to find the hidden object. Yes, the object is hidden right here. Now, find the odd hot dog emoji. Wow, you are good at this. Can you guess which silhouette the emoji belongs to? Of course, it's that one. Find the one emoji that it's different from the other. And there you have it, the unique one. Let's see how good your memory is. You need to find the one without pear. That one! You found it? Something is hidden in this photo. Can you find it? Yes, you find it! Pick out the emoji that it's different. Well done, it's right here. Can you find the different emoji? Looks like this one was too easy for you. Try to find another different emoji here. Good job! That was a tricky one. Now, find the kiwi among all these watermelons. Yes, you find it! Can you guess the restaurant by this emojis? Yes, it's McDonald's! Can you find the different one in this collection? There it is! This is a hard one. Can you find it? There it is! Try to find the blackberry in this photo. Wow, you are correct! Can you find the odd emoji? Yes, that one is different. You're right. Good job. One of these is different. Can you find it?